Hey guys, it's Mighty Macro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a graffiti tag. So, most people think that graffiti tags and graffiti logos are the same thing, but technically they're not. Graffiti logos are expressions, how you feel, and mostly gangs use it to mark their territory on a city, and people use it to resemble themselves and hide their identity. And a tag is a graffiti artist's name, their nickname, and don't use your real name as your graffiti tag, or else they'll just be stupid. And because if you use it in public, you get arrested. So I'm not telling you to break the laws and do graffitis, but that's how just the rule is. So yeah. And you just have to make a catchphrase. For example, if you like animals like a lot, your graffiti tag could be the name of an animal. So if you like lion, your graffiti tag could be lion 8. So lion, and then the number 8. Anything. You can add numbers, symbols, anything, guys. Anything for your tag. Today I'm not going to be showing you how to do a logo. I'll probably do that for another video if you hit a lot of likes. Let's do 50,000 likes, okay? If you hit 50,000 likes, I'll do a thing about logos. So yes, even if you're really, really bad at art, whatever thing you use, this graffiti tag will look professional, okay? For an example, I'll show you some of the ones I did. So I did this one. I know guys, my voice sounds really bad. It's because of this microphone. My voice sounds nothing like this. It has this weird accent and this weird tone. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. And if you can hear the noise, the microphone noise, because this microphone's really bad. So first thing off, you type in, if you're on Google, on the address bar, you do graffiti. You have to type in graffiti creator. If you can do that for me, if I'm going too fast, you can pause it. Graffiti creator, guys. Graffiti creator. So, then after you press this top one, this top one, you should press the top one. You don't press poster gen or font meme. Just press the top one. Top one is good. And then after you press the top one, you'll see this graffiti creator. So it has to be this color. This graffiti the title has to be this color that says graffiti creator, the original. Is that the original? That has to be there. If it's not there, that's not the right website. This is, and it has to have this code: Reclam 728690EPX. X90, sorry. So then you choose your fonts. Your fonts can be anything. I would prefer either Kodiak or MindGem. My favorite is MindGem. If you don't like either of those two, you should go with, Throw Up. If you don't like Throw Up, you should go with Bubbles. If you don't like Bubbles, go with Flavor. It's not Flavor, I'm so sorry. I don't know, it's a Monday, I don't know. Oh wait, what? It's not a Monday, it's a Saturday. Guys, I'm so sorry, I'm so tired, that's why. So, Flavor, it's the one with the bottom, on the bottom with the yellow fire. Flavor, okay? You should choose that if you don't like any of this. So, MindGem, and then whatever font you choose, you have to press load. Load is the one that you should press. So, press load, you come to this. And after you press load, you come to this. It will say the font's name that you chose, and it's in that font. So mine is MindGem, and it says my font style. Okay? And then if it asks you for Adobe Flash Player, you have to press allow. Okay? If you don't have Adobe Flash Player, you gotta download it. I know, right? Sad life. So you press that, then you'll see this. But yeah, the thing is, not all fonts have the same as MindGem. The font I'm using right now, not all the fonts have the same thing. So as it might look different, it might have a chart with the color blendings, but you gotta do your best. Okay, sorry. You know what? I'll do a tutorial for every single font. Right now, I'm gonna start with MindGem. So if you want to do another font, you could try. But if you want to, but I'm gonna be giving advice about MindGem first. So you press MindGem, then you see this. So there you type in your graffiti tag. The graffiti tag has to go there. So mine is gonna be, oh guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to show you one of my examples for some of my examples that I made before I used this website. So these are the examples. These are the ones I made before. This is my absolute favorites graffiti logo ever. This looks so professional. It'll come in a second. There you go. Look at that. Monkey, blue, and black, and a bit of bright turquoise for the bubbles. So, if you don't like that, that means you got a bad taste. So, you press X, then you press, this is the other ones. This is, I don't really like that bad. It was one of my first ones, so, you know, yeah, pretty bad. I was just experimenting with stuff. So, this is another one. Doesn't look that good, but I was just experimenting with the colors. So, yeah, that's this one, and then if you don't like that, I did this. Hawk. So those are the ones I did. There's a few more, but I don't feel like showing that to you because they suck. So I delete that. Then I choose my nickname. So I already have my nickname, and I don't want to tell you because that just ruined my nickname and my identities. Yes, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna take some random word. Let's see. Random word that pops into my head. Okay, bones. That's gonna be this word. Just sorry guys, if you don't like that. It's just a random word that popped right into my head. So I don't know. I was sorry. So bones. Then after you type in your tag, you press create. You go to the gray button. It'll automatically turn green after you go near it, and then press click. Look, bones. So this is my absolute favorite. It positions the words. You could drag the letters where they want. You can make the rule of graffiti: always make some of them overlap. You have to make the them overlap a little bit to actually make it like a graffiti logo. Yeah, bones. So then you choose the width. Width is if you want me to be like thick, but don't do too thick. Sorry guys, too thick. Don't do it too thick or else turn like a big blibby blob. So I'm just gonna keep it normal, like I did. Sorry guys, I'm having a bit of trouble. height. Height, you can choose the height. You can also choose the height. Mine's gonna be pretty short and stuffy. Like this. Oh, oops, sorry guys. There, that's gonna be my height. Oh, come on. And the rotation. Rotation, you gotta choose what rotation you guys wanna do. I'm gonna stick it home. Okay, rotation, I don't really like that bad. So now it's time for the coat. Coat is gonna be the overall base color. So choose your favorite color, go for the coat. I'm gonna do, just for this video, I'm gonna do yellow. Yellow. Oh guys, it's not like normal color choosing. This is, the R stands for red, G stands for green, B stands for blue. So you drag the colors and mix them up. For example, green was in the middle, blue is at the top, R is at the bottom. I mean, R should also be at the middle to create this. It will be like military green. Then one of my other ones, I like to also do this one. I use this color for the hawk. So for the hawk color, the base color was this. No, it was lighter than that. It was lighter. This. The base color was this for hawk. So yeah, so I'm just for this one I'm gonna do yellow, which is this. And if you guys want turquoise, you gotta do this. It's pretty easy. That's turquoise. And if you want to do black, all at the top. Put all of them at the top. White, opposite. All of them at the bottom. So I want it to be yellow. Then that's gonna be my top coat. Top fill. Any color can be the coat. Top fill has to be, always has to be darker than the base. So top fill, let's do it. Top fill. I'm gonna make it blue. That looks pretty good. It's top fill. And trust me, it's gonna look professional. Use any color, but still look professional. But if you follow my advice, it will look mega ultra professional. So yes, you just do the top fill. Always has to be darker. That's the only rule for top fill. And then the sides. Sides. You have two choices for sides. You can do it black. You can do it black. Or you could do it the size of, you can do it the coats. You can do it the color of the coats. If you want if you want the sides, you can do the color of the coats, the main coats, or you can do it if you would do it the color of the coat, or you can do it the color of the top fill. So that's how it looks if it's the color of the coat, and then the color of the top fill, which is blue. So if we make it blue, it'll turn out like this. So I'm gonna do black because that looks amazing. And then you're gonna do the limbs. Limbs are these. Depends on what the letters you use. Limbs, any color, dude. It doesn't matter. But limbs, make it bright to make it pop out. Literally pop out of the wall. Make the limbs bright. Very bright to make it pop out of the wall. And wait, sorry guys. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. Oh my. Oh